I just took x-rays right here, and this is the one from the neck, from the side. I also take x-rays that are different too. Um, Not a lot of people take x-rays of the spine in motion, so this is the neck and flexion, the neck and extension, and that helps me really identify how the spine's moving individually as well. It also helps me to know how to adjust you properly. A lot of patients will tell me they've been to a chiropractor and they felt worse after. They had symptoms that they never had before. Now they have them, like headaches or migraines or neurological issues. I identify why that's the case with these x-rays, and I get to explain it to patients, and then I actually change my whole entire care to help them even better.